how to create a gifts and gadgets store on Shopify and make money online. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own online store for free using this platform. So let's get started first by showing you how you can create your account in the platform. So just type Shopify in your search and then choose the first link that shows up, and then you will proceed to clicking on this button in your top right, which is start free trial. Then enter your email and you will have your account created. And after creating your account, you will head to this page, which will be your dashboard or your home page of the platform. It's where you can control everything about your store. So here in your left, you have all of these buttons, starting with the home. Then we have the orders. It's where you can check everything about your orders. You can see your total orders, the ordered items over time, the returns, the fulfilled orders over time. So you can see all of these things. Then you have the products. So here you can add a new product, or you can import products from other websites. Then we have the customers. Here you can import customers as well, or you can add new customers. Then we have the content, and we have also the analytics. So here you can see your total sales. You can also see the sales by channel, the online store conversion rate, your online store sessions, and your average order value. So you can see all of these data in the analytics. Then we have the marketing and the discount. Then comes the online store. So here, let's close this one. So here guys, in the online store, you can customize your theme. I'm going to come back to it later. I'm going to check the settings, then I'm going to come back to the online store. So in the settings guys, you can change the store details from the store name to the store phone, the store email. Also in here, you can change the business address, you can change the currency, and in the languages, you can install this application, which will allow your store to translate the store based on the location. So for example, if someone from France entered our store, it will translate, this application will translate the store from English to French to make things easier for the clients. And here also you can control the market that you're going to sell in. So here I have chosen to sell in Morocco and international. If you don't like to sell internationally, you can just as well. So here I'm going to sell in Morocco only. I'm not going to sell international. So this is very important. You need to choose to sell international as well. So here let's turn it active like this, and then click on save, and it's saving now. Let's check again the markets. Let's go back and let's click on markets. So here you will be able to sell on every country. So that's it when it comes to settings. Let's go back and let's head to the online store to start customizing our theme. So here, let's wait for it to load. And let's click on view your store to check our store first. So this is how our store is looking like, as you can see. So let's close this window, and this is the theme we're using now, Sense. And let's scroll down to check all of the other themes. So those are the themes that are available in the platform. So click on visit theme store, and here we have 173 themes, and 12 of them are free, the others are paid. So let's check the free ones. So here these are all the free themes that we have in the store. We have this one, Ride, Refresh, Sense, we have Spotlight, Origin, Down, we have Craft, Taste, Studio. So here in today's video we're looking to create a gifts and gadgets store. So let's see what's the most theme that will match our objective. So Sense is a theme about skincare. This one is about hair and skincare as well. This one about surfing products, handbags and hair bags as well, clothes, studio, taste, craft. I think I'm going to use refresh. Let's use refresh for example. Let's check it first. Click on view demo store in order to see how the store is looking like, and make sure to click on this button as well to see how the store is looking like in the phone, in the mobile phone. Or you can just go back and here click on view demo store, and then I'm going to show you how you can check the theme in the mobile phone. Click on your right click in your mouse, then click on inspect in here, this one, inspect, and here go to this button in here, and then we're going to choose iPhone 14 Pro Max. So this is how the store will look like in iPhone 14 Pro Max. Let's make it 75%. Let's just leave it at 50%. So this is how the store is going to look in iPhone 14 Pro Max. Let's check iPhone 12, and there's not much change in iPhone 12. So this is how it's going to look in the phone, in the mobile phone. So if you like what you see, then just close this, then click on try theme in order to install the theme in your theme library. So here just close the first window. We will work on the second one. So here you've successfully installed the theme. You'll just need to publish it in order to be shown to the, in order to be installed in the theme. So here let's wait for it to load. It will take a little bit of time. I think I will need to reload. Let's reload. And let's see now if it's installed. And as you can see, you successfully added refresh. And by scrolling down, click on publish to make this theme your current theme. Then you will be able to customize it. And that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.